Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing the K-1 fiancé visa and specifically criminal history. I get this question not infrequently, but not altogether commonly, with respect to filing of a K-1 fiancé petition. People have criminal histories, and those folks sometimes will want to go ahead and get a fiancé visa benefit for their loved one overseas. How does the criminal history interact with the overall K-1 visa process? Well, the first answer to that question, if you will, is it depends. It greatly depends on the nature of the underlying criminal history. So those with like a DUI in the past, I would not get too worked up about their criminal history and how it impacts the K-1 fiancé visa, or the K-1 fiancé visa process, although depending on the circumstances, there may be circumstances in which a DUI might impact a fiancé visa application. In a lot of cases, domestic violence problems can be a real issue with respect to a K-1 or a marriage visa filing. There's another video on this channel specifically on point with respect to that topic, and I would urge those who are watching this video and interested in that point specifically to go over and check that video out in more detail, because that's something you have to drill a little further down into. That being said, just general criminal history, it may not have any impact at all on the K-1 fiancé visa process because it's not overly pertinent to the benefits being sought. In a domestic violence context, they don't really want to encourage more domestic violence. That's my opinion. I think that's a policy reason behind it. So in those kind of cases, they may place restrictions on folks with certain kinds of criminal history. But for those with, I hate to say normal criminal history, but with a more routine criminal matters, various misdemeanors or even low-level felonies, it may not have an overwhelming impact on the K-1 fiancé visa process. The thing to take away from this video, contact a legal professional directly if you have a question on it. It's not a bad idea to just ascertain whether or not one's history is going to have an impact on future filings and future processing of K-1 fiancé visas.